how to make long reels video on Instagram up to 90 seconds. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create long reels video on Instagram. So how to make 90-second reels video on Instagram. In this video I'm going to show you the full tutorial. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, first of all, make sure that you go to Play Store, or if you're using iPhone, go to App Store and then search for Instagram. Okay, so after searching for Instagram, make sure that you update their Instagram application. Okay, you can see the update option here on the site. Just tap on update and make sure to update. So after updating here, let me just get inside my official Instagram account and let me just show you how you can create longer reels video on Instagram. So let me just go to the story section and then go to this section and then let me just click on reels. Okay, so here you can see reels, and to make the 90-second reels video, here you have to click on length option. Here you can see length. Simply you need to click on length here, and here you can see guys, it's written 90, so you just need to click on 90, and then here you will be able to make 90-second reels video on Instagram. So this is how you can make long reels video in Instagram. I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching guys. See you soon on the next video.